Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock and let's identify the potential moves that we could be getting this coming week. Now, the moves, the directions, the two areas that I did talk or did show on the thumbnail of this video being 326 or 212 area down there. Why these two areas I haven't picked to talk about as for a potential move in these direction and what it will take for the price action to give us these moves. We'll talk about all of that in this video, what we have to watch for either for a continuation of an uptrend or to the downside, how the parameters on the technicals are looking like. We'll take a look at all of that in this video. Before going further, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just showing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Tesla has been on a decline and I'll be using my tools as usual. And we are still in the red bearish structure. Nothing has really changed. And so is the case on the weekly interval as well. We are on the weekly interval as well, still in the negative structure. So overall, Tesla is still in a decline. It's still in a bearish structure. Now, this $275 area that I talked about from quite some time, right? Like even once we start to lose that level above 369, I mentioned that, guys, as we continue lower, even through these rebounds, I mentioned that it's just a rebound. Technically, we're still in the downtrend. I mentioned that the magnet is 275. And then we'll see what the price action does there or what it shows us there if it stabilizes. Now, it did try its best to react over there. You can see a lot of reaction of the price action at that $275 area. And when price comes down to at these important levels and we are watching the price reaction and trying to identify, has the confirmation came that gives us a confirmed play back again to the upside. And in the case of Tesla, as I just showed you the structure as well on my tools, we never got that full on confirmation. We remained in the red structure. But not just that, the price action even on the lower time frame still continued. Yes, it did bounce. I'm on the 4 hours now. It did bounce. It did try to stabilize there again, but it never formed in an uptrend. We still had lower highs, continuation, and the lower lows, even though it did try for a couple of days, but the confirmation never came. And thus, when this happens, right, we don't have to jump the gun. We are watching the price action, and the price action is not giving us any confirmation. So let it just continue in its direction. Now, the next magnet though is this 212 to 225, the zone that I provided you in the last video. Like all the significant levels marked by my tools are important. And if you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. And also if you want 50 plus stocks coverage, check out the details in the description of this video. Now, we are though still in the negative structure, right? All these significant levels are important for day trading purposes or swing trading or long-term trading, okay? But which technically though, what is the most magnet zone where the most price reaction, even through this price journey would happen, right? Technically, as if we are not able to gain above 275 now, 225 area, 212 to 225 area remains the magnet, which means because we are already in the overall bearish structure, as if we are not able to regain this week above 275 area, Tesla will remain weak. And that remains a potential. It doesn't mean that it's going to definitely go down to 212, but it remains the potential, because we are still in the downtrend. All right, and that's where the next magnet zone is. All right, now from here, if we have to turn around back in an uptrend full on, we definitely have to regain 275. We have to establish above that eventually for this long running of another uptrend move has to come. Otherwise, no. Tesla will still remain in this negative structure and overall sentiment will remain negative. Now, let's come down a little bit to the intraday levels, like for day trading and what to watch, right, for tomorrow especially. and which will develop for throughout the whole week, right? So Tesla, if it has to give us any good start of an uptrend on intraday, which will be a rebound on the daily and a weekly, but at least intraday that will be an uptrend, start of an uptrend, will have to get above this $269 area. This is the zone we need to get above before we can start to talk about intraday, multi-day uptrend. Otherwise, the things will still remain weak, even though there is some rebound potential until 269, as if we stay above 261. But that will be just a very feeble continuation of this rebound. And then good uptrend intraday will be above 269. And then eventually, slowly and slowly, we'll have to make our way above that 200 days moving average. So right now, it will intraday strength can come as per those levels that I just talked about, which can turn into a little bit of a 2 days of strength. But on the daily interval, that will still remain just a rebound. Right now, Tesla has a lot of resistance now. 200 days moving average overhead resistance. We are 275 is now going to act as a zone of resistance because we have lost that level. Structure still remains in the downtrend, and I just showed you on my tools as well, right? And so only and only possible way that Tesla can regain or test 326 is only and only if we close above 277 at least a day without breaking further below, without breaking below $250 area. We need to close by Tuesday. I would say if we can do that, if Tesla can close by Tuesday above 277, the likelihood may not happen in the next week, 326, but the doors will start to open to 326. Otherwise, no, the doors will remain open down to $212 to $225 area. All right, as I said. So as for the hourly interval, we will have to get above 269 to see some good strength back again in Tesla, which will be intraday multi-day rebound. And then eventually, as if we want to get above full on, strength, full structure all the way to 326 area, well, that requires us to, stay in that intraday and multi-day uptrend, but also start to get above like 277 to 380 area, right? So that's what we have right now. Unfortunately, still negative, guys. Overall structure, rebounds, intraday possibilities are there as long as those level holds. But anytime, if we lose this level again, 261, we can be coming down and testing maybe again 252. That is $250 almost. Okay. So that's something to watch because overall structure is negative. Again, accordingly, will size and size out your position, whatever, long term or near term or swing, day trade, whatever you are doing. It's all about staying with the structure, and based on your horizon, you will trade according to that. And then my tools helps you in all of that. Check out the details in the description of this video, and also 50 plus stocks coverage. Check out the details in the description of this video. All right, don't miss out on the discounts because they come and go, guys. They come and go. Once the discount's gone, and I got so many emails, and I'm like, well, guys, the discounts were there, but you are emailing me when the discount has gone away, right? All right, anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Hope you found it helpful, valuable. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care, bye.